just a little child, my daddy used to say, you can reach the stars someday, we will be rich. I used to be so proud with the sling back on my shoulders, running down the road to go to school. Long way to go. Oh, a long way to go. Back in the days when I was just a little cowboy, my mama used to say, someday we will be great. Used to have the biggest dreams a boy can ever dream of, and would run away to swim in the stream. A long way to go. A long way to go. Daddy's in the farm and mama's in the kitchen, dreaming away the pain and tears. 25 years have gone and things are still the same. Oh, life, when will you be fair? Thought I've done the best I can to bring a better day, but I guess there's still a long way to go. I know there's still a long way to go. I just wish mom and dad a long, long life. The spring rain will wash away your tears. You'll see the rainbow after the rain, and you will smile when you see the sun. And I still have a long way to go.